Hello, it's Susan, and today I'm going to try a new recipe, and if everything goes well, I will come back and give you the recipe. I start out with white base coat. Okay, I think that's good. And I'm just going to torch any air bubbles out with my torch. Start off with greenish blue, and I'm just going to pour a puddle in the middle. Then Quadacrium magenta. Then dioxazine purple. And then on top, some white. And now I'm going to blow with a straw. That's all I'm going to blow, and now I'm going to torch it. Well, I might actually blow a little bit more over here. I think I'll just leave it like that. I'm just going to stretch it a little bit. I was hoping for larger cells, larger lacing. Maybe if I stretch it. I'm going to stretch it a little more. Off camera, I just spun it on my spinner and this happened. So I'm going to try and see if I can just stretch it. I should have left it alone. Okay, I should have left it alone, but I stretched it more and now I really don't like it. So I'm gonna just balloon smash it and see what it looks like. If not, if it doesn't look any good, I'll scrape it. Okay, so I'll go there. And one more. Oh, that was pretty. Very pretty. Really like it. Much better. It's a close-up. Okay, I'll put all the purple first. Then the quadacrium magenta. Then greenish blue. Actually, I like this color. Just put a little bit more in here. And white on top. Gonna put a little bit of more white around the edges. And now I am going to try blowing with my breath, so my head might get in the way. How am I gonna do this without? That's what I didn't do. I didn't pop any air bubbles up first. I'll do it now. I'm gonna try spinning it just a little bit to see what effects I get from that, although I really like it. Hopefully I won't splash everywhere. Whoops. And not sure I like doing that. I'm just going to blow the rest with a straw. I think I like it. I think I'll just leave it the way it is. Looks really good. I'm going to torch it again. I think I really like it. It's pretty, pretty, pretty. I'll bring you in for a close-up. So the recipe I used for these paintings, I found the recipe from another YouTuber. Her name is Jenn Neil, and she has a YouTube channel, and she was the one that created this recipe, so I just tried to follow it the best I could. I'm gonna try again because I'm not sure if I got the same kind of results that she did, but it's very close. This one's almost dry. They're drying really smooth. This one is dry. It's dried nice and smooth. And almost dry. Beautiful. Love those colors together. So the recipe is I just poured a little bit of paint in the bottom of a cup, one of my cups. I just use these silicone cups, and what you do is you can extend your paint by using golden regular gel gloss, just a little bit on the end of a stick, just a little tiny dot, and you mix with your paint. Well, I guess it depends on how much paint you have, but I only had a little bit of paint in the bottom, so I just used a little dab. You mix that, and it thickens up the paint, and so then you get more paint when you add all the other stuff. So also glazing, Liquitex glazing medium. You just drizzle a layer of this over top of your paint after you mixed it, and then you just leave that, and then you get Liquitex gloss varnish and medium. Usually you get it in the same bottle, but I got the wrong thing. I got the gloss varnish by itself, but I already had some medium at home. It's not gloss, it's matte medium. So I mixed the two, half and half. So her recipe is actually Liquitex gloss varnish and medium, and then you just layer that on top of the glazing medium, just like a little layer over top of your paint, very thin layer. Then you mix those up really good, and then you add Floetrol. I have it in a little bottle like this. So what you do is you do the same thing with the Floetrol. You add a layer of Floetrol over top of your paint that's already mixed, and then you add another layer. So with these you add one layer each, and then the Floetrol 2 layers. Then you mix that, and then you add water. I just have my water in a little container like that. And you add enough water to make the consistency, not sure if I can show it on here. It runs off the stick. If you hold it high, it runs off the stick and it makes an indent in the paint. If you hold it low, it goes in, but it makes a tiny little mound. So it just runs off the stick really smooth. And that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I guess I will see you in my next video. On my next video, I'm going to try this recipe again, and I am going to mix it on camera. I didn't have time with this video because I have 2 paintings and it would be really long. So I will show you on my next video how to mix it. Or you could just go to Jenn Neil. Her name is spelled Jenn and then Neil, Neil. And she has the recipe on her video. I think her latest video. I'm not sure if she's done any more. And you can see it there. So, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.